In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a timer to shut down your PC using a quick Google search and a simple built-in Windows command. We'll start right from your web browser so you can follow along easily. First, open your preferred browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type in "How to set a timer to shut down the PC" and press enter. You'll see a list of results, including guides and forum posts. The reason we begin with this search is that it quickly surfaces the basic command we need, and often gives examples you can copy and adapt. Among the top results, you'll usually see a short snippet explaining that Windows has a shutdown command you can run with a timer. The key part you're looking for is a command that looks like shutdown SST, followed by a number of seconds. For example, if you want your computer to shut down in 1 hour, you would use 3600 seconds. Don't worry if that sounds technical right now. We'll break it down clearly. Once you have that information from Google, go back to your desktop and press the Windows key on your keyboard, or click the Start button. In the search box, type Command Prompt. When it appears, you can open it normally. For shutting down with a timer, you don't usually need administrator permissions. Inside the Command Prompt window, you'll type the shutdown command you saw from your Google search. It will look like this: shutdown /s /t and then the number of seconds. For example, to shut down in 30 minutes, type shutdown /t 1800 and press enter. The S tells Windows to shut down, and T tells it how many seconds to wait. After you run this command, Windows should show a notification letting you know a shutdown has been scheduled. At this point, you can leave your computer to finish whatever it's doing, like a long download or a backup. If you change your mind and want to cancel the timer, you can use Google again to search Cancel Shutdown Timer Windows, or simply open Command Prompt and type shutdown OA to abort the scheduled shutdown. That's all there is to it. By starting with a quick Google search and using the shutdown command, you can easily set a timer to power off your PC exactly when you want.